This is a tutorial to show you how to create a VoiceThread. Before you can create your VoiceThread, you will need to capture some images that you will use in your VoiceThread. So to get started, you will start at the Wikispace page and click down here where it says China Resources. Within this page, you have a whole list of all of the online resources that we used for our project. If you go all the way down to the bottom where it says Images, there is a section that says Image Quest. If you click on Image Quest, it will take you to an online encyclopedia of images by Britannica. If you go up to the top, you will click on the search button and you will type in what you're searching for. Make sure that you spell correctly the search term that you're looking for, and then hit the magnifying glass to search. Once you're there, you will see several images of what you're looking for, and maybe even pages worth at the top. You can see there are many pages to scroll through. I'm going to find one that is suitable for me, and I'm going to click on it to preview it. This one looks like a good one, so I am going to right-click and copy. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says Start at the bottom of your computer screen. Click on All Programs, My Computer, and then from My Computer, go to My Documents. My Documents, you will click on your folder that says My Pictures, double-click, and I have a folder that says the name of the file is Ancient China Pictures. You may not, you can just leave it in there. So I double click and I drop my photo down in there. Now it has numbers and I want to try to rename it so that I will recognize it. So I'm going to put in the name, and I'm going to put 1 because I may have more than one picture of it eventually. Now I can then close that off, go back to the image that I was looking at, and go back. You want to try again with another search term and hit the magnifying glass. There is another option available to you, which is with the plus button. You can add it to the Lightbox, which is a temporary file folder that will keep or hold these images for you. The only problem with doing this is that the whole file tries to download into your VoiceThread. So while this is a great option to use while you're searching for many pictures, we're not going to use that option because it will not allow you to download the whole file at once. So as I'm looking through here, I see really not anything that I'm looking for. So I'm going to add a search term to it and hit search. And then I see some things that are more familiar or more like what I want. So I go ahead and click on the image, hit copy, go down to Start, All Programs, My Computer, My Documents, and then go to My Picture folder, click on it. Again, I'm putting it in my file folder, and I just simply hit the right click and hit paste. Again, it's a number, and I want to rename it so that I will easily recognize it when I go to download it. It's as simple as that. Now that you've captured some pictures that you know that you're going to be using for your VoiceThread, it's time to get started on the VoiceThread itself. Okay, it's time to move back to your Wikispaces to the China Resources page, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom until you see VoiceThread. VoiceThread is also www.voicethread.com. When you get here, you will see a toolbar at the top and it will say Create. That is the one that you want to select. From here, you will upload the photos. By clicking on number 1, Upload Photos, you'll go to My Computer, select the one you want, and you can hit Shift key to select more than one. You're going to select all your photos, and then you're going to hit Open. Then it will start processing your files, and it says this may take a few minutes. Sometimes it takes longer than others. And then it plops your photos in. You can rearrange them by simply clicking and dragging the mouse around which you would like to, in the order that you would like to have them. Okay, the next step is the commenting feature. That's step 2. You'll hit the microphone. If you have not already created your identity, you will. I'm going to hit close because I already have an identity. Down here, you will see the comment feature. You will click on that and it'll give you two options. You can either record a comment or type a comment, and you'll hit play and begin recording. And then hit record, and if the message that comes up, you'll hit allow, and then you start recording, and all of your voice is recorded at that time. When you're done, you'll hit the microphone on the bottom at the red to say stop recording. If you like the way your voice sounds, you'll hit save. If you don't like it, you can hit cancel and try to re-record. Then you'll click on the next slide and you'll do the same thing. If you would like to type in your comments, you would hit type and you would just begin typing in your comments here. And that way you have them, and then you'll hit save. And then you'll do that with every comment. And at the end, it will automatically save it for you. And we can embed it into various places. And basically, you're done. The only other thing that I want to show you is how you can create a title slide. In order to create a title slide or a credit slide, you will need to use PowerPoint. So you will go down to the bottom and find it within the menu under Applications, and it will be under Microsoft PowerPoint. Simply type in your title, and you can make this as fancy or as plain as you want. And then you'll type in your name. Now, you can also insert a picture if you would like to do that. But basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to view this in full screen mode. So you will go to the slideshow function. At the top you will choose the slideshow function, and then from beginning, and there is your title slide. You will on your keyboard hit print screen. Then you'll close out of the PowerPoint, and you will then go and open that in a Paint document. So we're going to go to All Programs, Application, and Paint. Here I'm going to paste in my title slide, and I'm going to save it as a JPEG so it recognizes it as a picture document, JPEG. So I'm going to go ahead and put in there the name of mine. I could call it student name title slide with your name on it. And I'm going to put it in my Ancient China folder, and I'm going to hit save. Now, once I've done that, I'm ready to add it into my VoiceThread. So I need to click out of the Microsoft PowerPoint. I will go down and I will go back to the VoiceThread. And remember, that's www.voicethread.com, or you can get to it by using the China link. And then you are going to hit My Voice, and you should see your creation so far. From here, you can continue working on it by pressing the menu button and edit, and then uploading another photo from your computer with your name of your title slide right there. It will insert it, and then you can rearrange it so it is your front slide. VoiceThread automatically saves, so you don't have to worry about saving it each time. You can continue working on it. If you do not like the title slide, you can come down here and hit the trash can, and it will say delete slide, and you say yes. So you can continue working on your VoiceThread until it is complete. The last thing that I want to show you is how to comment on other people's VoiceThreads. Once their VoiceThread is complete, you can comment on theirs by simply pressing the comment button. It will ask you to upload your identity, and you'll want to do that because you are adding your voice to their presentation and making comments. So you'll go to a slide and you can make a comment the same way that that you did when you created your own by either recording or typing, and we'll ask you to upload a photo where you can have your comment made as well. It's that simple to comment on other people's work. If you have any questions, please see your teacher and we will try to answer that. You may also re-watch this video so that you can see how to create your own VoiceThread.